Hello everyone, my name is Harshit Bhutra and you're watching Digital Sun City. On this channel, I make videos related to WordPress and digital marketing. So if you want to learn more of WordPress and digital marketing, then you can press the subscribe button below. That way, you'll be notified as soon as I publish a new video. So now, let's get started with this video. Suppose if you are running a quotations website or any blog or any kind of website which has unique content, then you want to protect that. You don't want anyone to copy it, and that's why you might want to disable the copying functionality or you want to disable the prevent selection. Then in that case, I will teach you how to do that. Welcome guys to my this video in which I'll be showing you how to prevent text selection and copy paste in WordPress. So in your WordPress dashboard, hover onto plugins and then click on add new. Now search for WP Content Protection plugin. We need to install this plugin. So let's click on install now. And then click on activate. This plugin won't allow anyone to copy or select the content of your WordPress website. If you want to change the settings, then you need to click on copy protection in the sidebar. Now you can see various tabs here like settings or premium right click protection, etc. So let's go to main settings tab to expand it. You can see various protection layers which you can apply on your website's content from this page. Now you can choose to enable or disable protection from specific types of content. Make changes whichever you want and then click on save settings. Once it's saved, now let's move to our website to check the same. So as you can see that I'm not getting an option to copy and paste like this when I'm clicking the right button on my mouse. So this is how you can prevent text selection and copy paste in WordPress. Now you need to understand that anyone with very good knowledge of how website making works and how the scripts work can copy and paste this content. But for now you have disabled it for an average user. I hope you like this video. It takes me a lot of efforts to create free videos like these for all of you people. So please consider to subscribe. And if you have any questions or suggestions, then you can directly go to our website digitalsuncity.com/help and then fill in the contact form with your questions. I'll reply to that as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.
Hey, before you quit, I have an amazing offer for you. I am giving away free access to all of my digital resources to all of my viewers.
These digital resources can be divided in two types. The first thing is layouts. This includes hundreds of templates for Divi, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot of royalty-free graphics which you can use on any website. Now the second thing is premium WordPress video tutorials. In the coming weeks, I am creating video courses for all the major WordPress themes and plugins. This will include video tutorials for WordPress, Divi, Astra, Elementor, Visual Composer and a lot more. So as you can see, I've already started working on them. Now, to get all of these premium digital resources, you have to go to my website digitalsuncity.com/VIP and put in your email address. And then you'll receive an email which will contain all of these things. That's it. So go to the link in the description right now and claim all of these resources instantly. I am waiting for you to get my digital resources for free.